2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, voice-activated navigation system, fog lights, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, Bedliner, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.